These cinematic ocean videos are going absolutely viral right now. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make videos like this for completely free. Here's what I created in less than 5 minutes. First, you're going to head over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you cinematic ocean video ideas. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 20 ideas for you. Pick the one you like most, the one you think has the best chance of going viral. For example, I picked number 8. From there, I'll ask ChatGPT to write me image and video prompts for it. And in just a few seconds, it will produce some really solid prompts to work with. I'm going to copy the image prompt first and head over to Flow AI because it's the best free option available right now. Once you're there, make sure you select Nano Banana Pro for the best image quality. Paste your prompt in, hit generate, and just wait a few seconds. And just like that, the images are ready, and they look fantastic. Now I'm going to head back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Then back to Flow AI, choose the image you want to animate, click Add to Prompt, select how many videos you want, and choose Veo 3 Fast for quicker generation. Paste in your prompt and hit Generate. Give it a moment. And just like that, the video is done. Let's take a look. Wow! Amazing, right? It's incredible that we can create content like this completely for free.